I was going to cook this, but I don't think I will.
Don't feel like it.
No.
It's alright.
I can do it Thursday.
Yeah. And then freeze it. Yep. Alright. Waiting for these veggies to cook.
And then we put the cheese in.
And then we'll be done.
And then we put the mayo. And then we'll be done. Oh, we don't need the salt anymore.
Okay.
We don't need that anymore.
Done.
Hang on. What is this? What am I wearing?
Wiggles.
Go.
What do you mean?
Burrito.
No.
Because someone is going to the Wiggles. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no. I wonder who I'm taking to the Wiggles. Is it her or is it Pop? Is it Beck?
Okay.
You have to find out on the day.
Maybe a little bit more for the veggies.
Cheese?
What do you think?
Yeah, we'll cook more. Good cheesy.
Yep. Cheese time.
Now here comes the cheese. Don't try this at home, guys.
Should we mix it or leave it on top? What do you want to do?
Mix it all in.
Oh, she's in the packet. It's gonna be cheesy.
It's going to be cheesy.
Oh, it's already starting to
Don't
melt.
forget tomato.
Oh my gosh, the tomato!
She forgot the
Put
tomato.
the tomato, I'm sorry.
And we're going to put that in there.
You gonna dice it?
Yeah, that's it.
Half?
Yeah. Half a tomato. I'm going to stir this. Ooh. Look at the cheese. It's like I'm stirring up a brew. A brew.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, English tomatoes.
Put that.
And then we're in the mayo. So,
Okay. Are you finished?
is it cooked?
Yeah. Are you putting it on the wrap?
Inside.
Oh, you're gonna put it in here?
Yeah.
Okay. My bad.
She doesn't know.
There you go. Whoa.
What?
Look at all that cheese.
Yes. Oh!
Okay, mix. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Put it on your wrap.
I need to open this wrap.
Careful where each side's hot.
Yep. Really hot. How does this look?
Cool. Okay, I'll get you a plate.
Wait. Please.
Okay.
Now, this is how you do it. Put it on. Not a lot. Now I can put my mayo on it.
You ready?
Now, this is how you make when you're done. So, this is how you do it. Uh-oh. If I can. Make a burrito.
Saucy.
Now, we're going to attempt
What do you rate it?
I'll rate it. I don't know. A 9.3.
Ooh, that's too high. That's good.
Really good. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channels. Click smash the like button. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, and Twitter. Also, what I always say at the end of my videos will be in the description. So turn on your post notifications to get more videos of my playlists. In the meantime, bear in mind for more surprises coming your way. 2 channels for you. Click that like button and click that subscribe button. And the second challenge is, and you point your fingers and do the 2 things. Getting point your fingers and stand on one leg. And shake your hands. Now, can you point your fingers and keep on wiggling? What we're going to take? Do the wiggles.